In this video, we are going to learn how to use the Sign Anywhere option in GetSign for multiple users. To get started, we first need to enable the Use Stored Documents option. Please note that this feature only works with stored documents and not with templates. Next, you can select which file column you want to pull the documents from. I have already created a file column and uploaded a document there, as you can see here. So I will go ahead and select it. I'll briefly disable this other setting. Now, you need to turn on the Signature Collection option. If it is currently turned off, go ahead and enable it first. Next, configure your settings by selecting the status column you want to use to reflect the document's status. Then, you need to decide where you want to store the completed files. Select the file column where the signed documents will be saved. After that, go ahead and turn on the Sign Anywhere option. Because we have multiple users, we have two email columns here, and we can select the appropriate ones for both signers. Now the setup is complete. Let's go to the option to configure the email sender. Once you have filled in those details, go ahead and save it. If you go to the Shared section, you will now see the option to send. You can also send using the status column if you configured that earlier. As you can see, it has now been sent. The status column correctly reflects that the document was successfully sent out for signatures. From here, the users can follow the regular process to sign the document. And that's how you can use this feature.